Riri mugomo wa marigitari na aruna ao a gikiro gya clinical officer uthiete na mbere. Ciama cia ngwataniro cia aruti a wira a muingi ni cinyitanire na marigitari aya makienda ngirimiti iria ciekirirwo kirore ikinyanirio.
We have joined the doctors because the CBA that the doctors are actually out on the streets for is a CBA like any other within the public service sector. The reason why we have done so is because if the doctor strike is violated, even our CBA will be violated. And if the government thinks that the wage bill is too high, then let us start afresh.
Ciama icio riu ni irenda thirikari etige kurutira aruti a wira mikana magiukirira miario iria eriga kurutwo ni minister wa utungata wa muingi Moses Kuria makiuga ni miario ya kumekira kieha.
Government must honor the CBA that has been negotiated, signed and registered. There is no renegotiation of the CBA. We are saying tar away. We are not renegotiating the CBA that has already been agreed upon and signed. The government must honor the doctor's CBA. It is a shame to have the cream de la cream on the streets.
Nao arigitani ni mokirire ruhonge rwa guthurima mishara ya aruti wira a muingi bururi-ini SRC ni kiria maugite ni kugonderera wira-ini wao gutigirira ni mongerera kigina kia marihi ma mogwati kumagia shiringi 3,000 nginyagia shiringi 10,000.
The union, we know that it will take us 200 days to make it implemented. Yes. It will take us 300 days to stop the government from violating it. It may take us a year or 2 years to have it sorted out. And as a union, we are saying that we are not going to give up anytime soon.
We are here legally after tabling our strike notice procedurally. And I must say that the strike shall continue until our demands are fully met.
Ngirifuatira Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wakarura wa Nyutu.